the faster of the two devices to get ready. Now, to test the fingerprint scanner speed, I used a mirror to see how responsive each of the sensors were, and it turns out both of them are very fast, with the Mate 10 Pro once again edging it over the Note 8, but by a fraction of a second. Checking that both of these phones are running their latest firmware at the time of filming by going into the settings and clearing all background apps, let's jump into the stopwatch and start up the speed test. Keep in mind though that the Mate 10 Pro is rocking pre-release software. We see that the Note 8 takes the initial lead over the Mate 10 Pro going through the first row of applications, but the Mate 10 Pro is not very far behind. Loading up GNTech's mobile website via Chrome, any difference in Wi-Fi is cancelled out because both phones are connected to the exact same home network. But as we approach the second row of applications, the Mate 10 Pro lessens the gap between the phones, in spite of it taking a minor setback at Google's application. When loading the social media applications and Snapchat in particular, the Mate 10 Pro comes jarringly close to overtaking the Note 8. However, when loading the OneFootball application, the Mate 10 Pro takes longer to load up the media, and that's where the Note 8 starts to take the lead once again. This could be due to the slight variations in internet we get, or the fact that the Mate 10 Pro is running pre-release software as I've stated. However, even so, the Mate 10 Pro remains on the Note 8's tail throughout the gaming row of applications and once again catches up with it at Asphalt 8 and when loading the system applications. This could be due to the more powerful Kirin 970 processor on the Mate 10 Pro. The Note 8 though manages to finish the first round of the test in a minute and 52 seconds, whereas the Mate 10 Pro comes in at a minute and 53 seconds. And as both phones now approach the second row of applications, it looks like the Huawei Mate 10 Pro is slowly crawling into the lead with its faster animation times and then slowly extending it with opening up the next few applications. It is nice to see though that all applications for both phones are staying in memory with the 6GB of RAM on board both of these devices. And even though the Mate 10 Pro is rocking pre-release software, it finishes the speed test first in 2 minutes and 37 seconds, whereas the Note 8 comes in 11 seconds behind at 2 minutes and 48 seconds, making the winner the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. These kind of tests depend heavily on a number of factors, and a difference of 5 to 10 seconds doesn't really translate too much into real-world usage. Do check out our other videos on the channel and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews like this one. I'll see you in the next video. Adios.